Hello and welcome to the Half-Ass Homestead. Today we are making Brussels sprout cauliflower au gratin. We're going to want to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to take a medium frying pan and 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 medium onion diced. We're going to brown that onion in the butter. To that we are going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1/2 of a teaspoon of ground sage. We're going to bring this up to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for several minutes. In a greased casserole dish, we are going to take 1/2 pound of cauliflower and 1/2 pound of Brussels sprouts halved, salt and pepper to taste, in an even layer, we are taking a 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and sprinkling that over the top. Adding another 1/2 pound of cauliflower and 1/2 pound of Brussels sprouts halved. Over the top of that, we are going to add our cream and onion mixture. And of course, it wouldn't be Wisconsin if we didn't add 1.5 cups to 3/4 of a cup more Parmesan cheese. We are going to throw our covered casserole into the oven for 45 minutes. While we are waiting, we are going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, and another 1/2 teaspoon of sage. We're going to brown the breadcrumbs till they are nice and toasty. Then we will add about 1/4 cup of pine nuts after we've removed the breadcrumbs from the heat. Once our initial covered cook of 45 minutes is complete, we are going to add our breadcrumb mixture evenly over the top. We are going to return our uncovered casserole dish to the oven for 15 minutes more. And now, our hard work pays off. This casserole is ready to be enjoyed. I would like to thank you guys for baking along with me today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.
Well, you're not going to sell it with that expression.